Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is all about my August book haul. So I bought books mostly in August and I'm following a book buying ban for the month of September, and hopefully successfully I completed 21 days of not buying any books in the month of September. So it's a very good thing. And let's get started with this video, and if you're new here, please take some time and subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. So in the month of August, I had found 3 websites which sell pre-owned as well as new books, and also I got books from Amazon and Flipkart when they resumed their e-commerce deliveries to Chennai. So the very first book I'm going to be showing you is one such website. I'll be dropping all of the websites link on my description box, so don't forget to check that out. The first book which I got from 99bookscart.com. This is priced for rupees 200, but the original price was for 499 because the website sells pre-owned books as well as new books. I got the category called almost new, but the book seems to be very new, and I really like the the quality as well as the shipping time of the website. So you can try out, and if you really have the books which you really want to buy, then you can pick this out. So this book, The Help, is all about black maids who raise white children. I have not read the complete blurb of this book, but I've read a lot of reviews about this book, and it's about women and written by a women author. So I'm really excited and looking forward to reading this book. I think this covers up women's struggles and racism and how the white people treat black maids. I think that's the story about, and I think there are 3 women characters involved in it, so I'm very excited. The upcoming books are from Amazon, and the first book which I got from Amazon once they started their e-commerce to Chennai, it is the Henna Artist by Alka Joshi. This book, I think I've heard a lot of good reviews, and I finished reading this book. This book is a wonderful book. It is written by Alka Joshi, and it's about a henna artist. I have a complete review on my Instagram page, so if you want to read it, please go and read it. And this one is priced for 499, but I got it for a very good deal of 310 rupees, which I think is great. So it's a flexi-bound cover as well, and the cover looks very pretty. The next book is also by a women author. It's The Karna's Wife by Kavita Kane. So I was reading the Fisher Queen Dynasty by her in my Amazon Kindle, and I really liked her writings, and I think there are many other books of her which is available for unlimited version, which is free for unlimited version, so you can try that out. And this book I really wanted to buy because of Karna. I really liked Karna's character in Mahabharata and really wanted to know about Karna's wife in the epic. Also, Kavita Kane writes from the point of view of women characters from epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana, so I think you must try her writings. So the next book which I got from Amazon is Girl, Women and Other. So this is written by Bernardine Evaristo. So I think that's how we pronounce it. So this book is basically about 12 women, and it's written by a woman author, and I am so excited to read this book because this book was all over Bookstagram, and that is the only reason I picked this book. And reading about women is one of my favorite thing, and I think it has a lot more to tell about women, so quite excited to read this. The next book which I got from Amazon during the Independence sale was Amazon Kindle's version. So this is an ebook. I got the Stationery Shop of Tehran. So this is also written by a women author. I'm reading the book currently and I'm really liking it. So I'll be posting a review very soon. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow. This is a very beautiful, young adult love story, and there's a lot of separation, and there's a lot of longing for love. So I'm very excited, and I think I completed the second part of the book, and I'm reading the third part. So I'm very excited for the climax. So the next books are from Flipkart. So the very first book which I got from Flipkart is The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahari. The second book which I got from Flipkart is The Man Called O by Fredrik Backman. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this book and also this book. I'm very excited to read these both. And the third book which I got because of the beauty of the cover is The Hunted by the Sky. So this is an young adult fantasy and it's a very new genre for me, so I'm very excited to read it. The next books which I got from Flipkart is a book box, the author Gabriel Garcia Marquez. I think that's how you pronounce the name. I got it for a very good deal of 455 rupees for both of these books, and that's the reason I picked it up. The box has two books. One is 100 Years of Solitude and Love in the Time of Cholera. So I'm very, very excited to read this. I've heard like this author's book is a really tough book, like really tough to read. I want to experience that and I want to know why it is tough. So I'll be sharing my review on my Instagram page. And that's all for Amazon, Flipkart, and 99bookscart.com. I have another website to share with you guys, which will be in the part 2 of this video. So stay tuned for that and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be meeting you all in my part 2 video.